Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today topic is artificial intelligence and transformation to the healthcare landscape by enhancing diagnostic accuracy and personalization and treatment plans and streamlining administration process. The navigation of AI into the healthcare offer numbers benefit from improving patient outcome, optimization, opportunity, efficiency. However, it also burning changes and ethical consider that must be addressed to fully realize its potential. Diagnostic and predictive analytic AI algorithms, particular those involving machine learning and deep learning, are significantly improving diagnostic accuracy. AI system can analyze vast amount of medical data, including images, genetic information, and electronic health record to identify patterns and analyze that may be missed by human clinics. For example, AI has shown remarkable proficiency in interpreting medical imaging, such as detecting tumors and radiology scan or identifying retinal diseases from eye image. Predictive analyzed power by AI can also forecast diseases outbreak, predict patient and identity individual at high risk of certain condition and in earlier and more protective interventions. Personalization medicine AI facilities the development of personalized treatment plan tailored to the individual patient based on their unique genetic profile, medical history, and lifestyle factors. By the analyze data from clinic trace, electronic health record, and genomic research, AI can help identify the most efficient treatment and check how patient will respond to different therapy. This personalized approach aims to improve treatment outcome and reduce the adverse effect by customizing intervention to fit each patient's specific needs. Drug recovery and development AI accelerate the drug recovery process by analyzing vast database and potential drug candidates and predict their efficacy. Machine learning algorithm can analyze muscular structure, simulated drug structure, and predict potential side effects, thereby stimulating the drug development pipeline. They can head nation promising compound, reduce cost, and more efficient clinical travel. AI is also being used to the injection drugs for new therapeutic use, potential uncovering treatments for previously untreatable condition. Administrative efficiency AI technology are streamlining administration tasks within healthcare systems, such as including billing and pension management. Natural language processing can automate the extraction of information from clinic notes, improving documentation and reducing the administrative burden on healthcare providers. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine inquiry, appointment issuing, and potential treating, allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on direct patient care. Remote monitoring and telemedicine, all hence remote monitoring and telemedicine services by enrolling containing health monitoring through wearable device and smart sensor. This technology collect real-time data on virtual sign activity level and other health metric. With AI system can analyze to provide insight and alert. This capability support remote pension management, improve chronic diseases management, and facilities virtual consultation, expanding access to healthcare and reducing the need for in-person visit. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel.